Hello and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. In today's video, we're going to be taking a canvas like this and turning it into a body like this. So we're going to be using the Revolve tool and a couple of sketches. Quick, easy exercise. So follow along and see how you go. But before we get into the video, have a look down in the description. There's a link to a Udemy course I created. A lot of great content that is not on my YouTube channel. Have a look and check it out. Let's get into the video. I'll start this one off by inserting a canvas. So I'll click Insert, Canvas, and then Insert from Computer. Now we select a face. I'll just put it on the front face there. Okay, now when I turn to the front, I can see I've got my canvas there, but it's not going to be the right size. So the next step is to select the canvas, right click on it, and calibrate. I'm going to set this top to bottom as 31 centimeters. So it's 310 mils. Okay, so that's all we need with our canvas. Next, we're going to create a sketch. So it's going to go pretty quickly, but it's a fun little exercise. So create sketch on the front plane. We're going to be doing a revolve for this operation. So I'm going to push L. I'm wanting to get a midline. So that's got to go up and down. Our picture is pretty much centered. I see it's not quite 100%, but it's good enough for our purposes. So next we're going to use our spline tool and draw an outline over here. So I'm going to draw this. And we're just going to trace around the bottle. And once we've traced it, I'm going to go ahead and fix these up. So you see like that one. We'll just grab the handle, bend it a bit straighter, get our lines in order so it follows our profile a bit better. So with these little arms you can draw them longer or shorter to decrease the length of the line. Let's get our spline tool again, select that there, and we're just going to follow the curve of the bottle here. It's not going to be exact. Obviously with this picture we've got a bit of a forced perspective, so it's also not quite 100% a side view of the bottle, but it's good enough. Here we're almost done. Now we've got two options here. If I do this, we're going to have just a solid piece. I'll do my offset line and we'll be able to revolve this profile around there. But if we want this middle section, I'm just going to have to kind of guess at it here. So we'll select our offset tool. Well, not our offset, sorry. We'll select our spline tool and I'll go to this point. And we've got to kind of curve this in. I don't want it to go straight up. So this is not quite how it is on the bottle. We can see because of the forced perspective, we're going to have to decide this for ourselves. So I think I'll drop that down a little bit, get it more in line with the shape of the bottle, and get that line a little bit more of a tangent. T to trim this away. Now we can adjust that once we've done the revolve. I've selected the offset tool and go in my 5 mils, so -5. Okay, 5, and then command. I'll select this line as well, and it's got it going in there for me. Okay, so now I just want to delete that and maybe get a bit of a fillet on this one. So let's see if it'll allow me to fillet these. We're going to have to make that fillet a lot smaller. The fillet option isn't doing great, so I'll just take my spline tool and draw it in myself. a bit of a less sharp curve. T for trim, and I'll get rid of those lines, and then we can get this out a little bit. So now you can see we've got this closed outer profile. Let's see, is it closed up on top? Yes, it is. Finish sketch. So now we'll do our revolve. So I'll select revolve. I'll select this profile, which is not closed. I see there we've got an open spot. You can see when it's white like that, it means it's not solidly closed. So I'm just going to make this coincident with that. And let's see where we've got some other lines not quite connecting. And I don't know if these are connecting. Let's just draw a little line between the two dots. This is proving to be a bit annoying, but it's important to make sure you've got all your points connected so that you can get your closed profile. So now we've got that closed profile, but somewhere along our lines it's not closed. I'm suspecting it's at the top here. I just missed this. There we go. I think that's it. Finish sketch. Now we'll select revolve. I'm going to select this profile and select the axis as our straight line there. Okay. So now let's turn off our canvas. You can see we've got that little curve and we've got the shape of the bottle, but it's closed on top. Let's go back into the sketch and fix that. This line should be going straight up there. So then I can trim this. That was a silly mistake. There we go. We've got our empty bottle, but I would like to see through it. So I'm going to push A for appearance, and let's look in here for a glass. A smooth glass. Got a clear glass we can put on there. Can't really see much. So they're pretty much the same color as our canvas. So we can look through there and we can see that little bulge. It's not quite the same, but there we go. We've got a cool little bottle. You can kind of change the colors, do whatever you want, but there's our design. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Don't forget to have a look in the comments for the link to my Udemy course. Until next time, bye.